You're probably wasting hundreds of dollars every year just because you think your old devices are outdated. But what if I told you you're sitting on hidden tech gold right now? In this video, I'll show you how to reuse your old devices in smart ways, save serious money, and avoid buying things you don't actually need. Welcome to TechVibes, where smart tech meets smarter living. First up, turn your old phone into a home security camera. Most people upgrade phones every couple of years. That old phone? It still has a great camera. Download a free app like Alfred or Manything. Place the phone near your door or window. Boom, you now have a security system without paying monthly fees. You can even watch live footage from your current phone. Zero cost, real peace of mind. Next, use your old tablet as a smart control hub. Instead of buying a smart display, mount your old tablet on the wall or keep it on your desk. Use it to control music, lights, calendars, or even video calls. It becomes your central command center, perfect for kitchens, workspaces, or living rooms, and yes, it still feels premium. Third, turn that old laptop into a media powerhouse. Slow laptop? Don't throw it away. Install a lightweight system like Chrome OS Flex or Linux. Now it runs fast again. Use it for Netflix, YouTube, or even as a dedicated work device. You just saved yourself from buying a new $500 laptop. Here's another smart move. Use old phones as backup devices. Keep one charged in your car or bag. If your main phone dies, gets lost, or breaks, you're not stuck. You stay connected instantly. This one simple habit can save you from a very expensive emergency. And now, let's talk about storage. Old devices are perfect for offline storage. Load them with photos, movies, or important files. No need to pay for extra cloud storage every month. It's your personal backup system, already paid for. Here's a bonus tip most people don't know. Use your old phone as a dedicated distraction-free device. Remove social media. Keep only reading apps, notes, or productivity tools. Now you have a focused environment without constant notifications. It's like having a mental reset device without buying anything new. The truth is, upgrading isn't always necessary. Most of the time, we just don't use what we already have properly, and that's where the real savings are. If this video helped you rethink your old tech, hit that like button. Subscribe to TechVibes for more smart hacks like this. And tell me in the comments, what's the oldest device you're still using today?